In this session, the chapter that we are going to start is acids, bases and salts. So let us move ahead and begin with our discussion. So children, you might have been using and tasting different substances from your kitchen. Say these substances are lemon, it may be tamarind or common salt, sugar and vinegar. And you know that each of these substances have their own taste and we have to identify their taste. So you will conduct an activity and in this activity you will make two columns. One will represent substance and the other will represent taste like sour, bitter, sweet, salty, and we have taken a few examples. First one is lemon juice. Lemon juice is sour in taste. Then we have orange juice. Again it is sour in taste. Then we have vinegar. It is also sour in taste. And similarly, you can add as many substances to it as you can and write about what it tastes like. Okay children? And this is a very important point that will help us identify the substances as acids and bases. Okay, so let us now move ahead, and before moving ahead we have a little caution for you guys that you should not taste anything and everything around you, especially in the chemistry laboratories, because there are certain substances which are corrosive in nature and they might harm you. So never taste anything unless you are asked to do so, and you should also never touch anything unless you are asked to do so. Why? Because only your teacher knows what substances are non-corrosive or safe for you. Okay, so always follow those instructions. And let us now move ahead, and now we will discuss more about acids. So children, the substances which are sour in taste are known as acids, and this word acid is derived from the Latin word acer, and this word acer means sour. So this is why we were focusing more on the taste of the substances. So the substances which are sour in taste are known as acids. And what are the examples? Examples are lemon juice, curd, etc. And they are known to have natural acids. Okay children? So, but you should never taste anything on your own from the laboratories. Why? Because again they can be corrosive in nature. Then we have some natural substances over here. Let us discuss about these natural substances which are sour in taste, and they are sour in taste not only because of only one kind of acid, they are sour because of the different acids present in them. For example, lemon. Lemon is known as one of the citrus fruits. Why? Because it is known to have citric acid. Then we have tomatoes. Tomatoes have oxalic acid. Then we have grapes. Grapes have tartaric acid. Then we have milk. Milk is known to have lactic acid. Then ants' sting has formic acid. And we have apples with malic acid, and vinegar is known to have acetic acid. Okay children, so these are a few natural substances with different types of acids. So let us now move ahead, and we have again a table of various acids and what are the sources, that where are they found. For example, acetic acid is found in vinegar, formic acid is found in ants' sting, then citric acid is found in mostly citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Then we have lactic acid. Lactic acid is present in curd, and we have also studied that lactic acid is also present in milk. Okay children, it is also present in milk. Okay, then we have oxalic acid present in spinach. Then we have ascorbic acid, vitamin C, it is found in amla and other citrus fruits. Then we have tartaric acid, and it is present in tamarind, grapes and unripe mangoes. So let us now move ahead and understand that what are bases. So children, bases on the other hand are bitter to taste, and they are soapy to touch. When you wash your hands and you touch the soap, you will feel that it is quite slippery, and this soapy touch is the characteristic feature of bases. And what is the example for bases? The most common example for bases is baking soda and soaps. So this is all about bases. Let us now move ahead and see what are the different bases and where they are found. For example, calcium hydroxide, this is present in lime water. And children, most important thing, this lime water is not same as the lemon juice. Okay, don't get confused. Lime juice is actually the mixture of calcium hydroxide. Okay, children, the solution of calcium hydroxide is known as lime water, and where it is used in whitewashing the walls. It is used in whitewashing the walls. Then we have ammonium hydroxide. It is present in window cleaners. Then we have sodium and potassium hydroxide. It is usually found in soaps. And finally, magnesium hydroxide. It is found in milk of magnesia. And what is milk of magnesia? Milk of magnesia is an antacid. And where it is used? It is used to treat acidity. When someone is suffering from acidity, they are usually given milk of magnesia, the Digen that you usually see around in your houses. It is actually antacid, and it will immediately give relief to the person suffering from acidity. So let us now move ahead. We have Paheli and Bujo are friends with us, and they are discussing about something. Let us see. Bujo is asking, can I taste all the substances to find their taste? And Paheli is saying, no, have you not read the caution? We should not taste unknown substances. They can harm us, which we have already studied, that you should never taste or touch anything unless and until you are asked to do. Why? Because some substances can be corrosive in nature. Okay, children? But now, when we cannot taste everything, then how can we identify a substance as acid or a base? There has to be some other way to identify these acids and bases. How we can identify them? We have our hero with us, which is indicator. Yes, children, indicator, as the name suggests, it indicates whether a substance is an acid or a base. Let us quickly look at its definition. And it says that the special types of substances used to test whether the substances are acidic or basic in nature are called as indicators. And what are the examples of indicators? The examples are turmeric, which you use in your kitchen while cooking. Then we have China rose petals. China rose is also called as gudel. Then we have litmus. It is again a natural indicator. And finally, we have one more natural indicator, which is red cabbage. So children, in this session we have discussed that acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. Then we have discussed about the indicators, which indicates whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. And we have discussed a few examples of indicators, and in the coming session we will discuss about each of these indicators in detail. Okay? Thank you so much for your attention.
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.